Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can set up or create an account on PayPal. So I'm gonna be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, make sure that you've already installed the application from your Play Store or an Apple Store. And after you're done installing it, all you need to do is tap on open. And as you tap on open, you'll have this kind of interface. And in case if you already have an account, then you need to tap on login and then enter the login credential. That includes entering your phone number, email address, and password. And in case if you don't have an account, then you need to tap on sign up. So next interface, you'll be asked to provide a mobile number. And once you're done entering it, tap on next. And as you enter the mobile number, in order to verify, you'll receive a verification code. Then you have to paste it right on this page. You'll be directed to setting up your profile. So for that, you need to enter your legal first name, legal last name, email address, and then you have to create a password. So once you're done entering it, tap on next. And after that, you'll need to provide your billing address or the current residence that you live in. Tap on done. So once again, there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and also make sure to go through the following statement or the terms and condition and then mark on it and then tap on agree and create account. So after that, you'll have an option to either link your debit card or credit card. In case if you want to link your card, then all you need to do is provide the card number and your CVV number, and after that you'll be able to link your card. And in case you don't want to link a card, then tap on skip. Similarly, you'll also receive an option to sync your contact. In case if you want to do that, then tap on continue. And after done entering all of the information, then you'll be directed to the home page, and here it notifies that you've successfully created an account on PayPal. Now you'll have an option to either send money or request money to other person, and that is how you can set up or create an account on PayPal. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.